How guys, my name is Peter. Today I'm going to show you a complete process of making USB flash drive bootable and install Windows 10 on computer hardware. Step 1. Download Windows 10 ISO. 1. Go to the Microsoft website and download the Windows 10 ISO file. 2. Ensure that you choose the right version and language for your system. Step 2. Create a bootable USB drive. 1. Download and install the Rufus tool from rufus.ie. 2. Insert your USB drive, at least 8 GB in size. 3. Open Rufus and select your USB drive. 4. Under Boot Selection, click Select, then browse and select the downloaded Windows 10 ISO file. 5. Ensure the partition scheme is set to MBR, for Legacy BIOS, or GPT, for UEFI. 6. Click Start and wait for the process to complete. Step 3. Configure BIOS settings for installation. 1. Insert the bootable USB into the target computer. 2. Restart the computer and press the appropriate key, e.g., F2, F10, Delete, or ESC, to enter the BIOS, UEFI. 3. In BIOS settings, set the USB drive as the primary boot device. 4. Save changes and exit the BIOS. Step 4. Windows 10 installation procedure. 1. The computer will boot from the USB and display the Windows setup screen. 2. Select your language, time, and keyboard preferences, then click Next. 3. Click Install Now. 4. Enter your Windows 10 product key, if required, or click I don't have a product key to continue. 5. Select the Windows 10 edition, e.g., Home, Pro, then click Next. 6. Accept the license terms and click Next. Step 5. Partitioning the hard drive. 1. In the Where do you want to install Windows screen, select the partition where you want to install Windows or click New to create a new partition. 2. Select the partition and click Next. Windows will begin the installation process. Step 6. Completing the installation. 1. After installation, the computer will restart several times. 2. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account, region, language, and privacy preferences. 3. Once complete, Windows 10 will be installed and ready to use. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you found it helpful.